Hello beautiful people, and welcome to my update today for the I Heart the 90s Project Pan. This is a project pan that was created by Laura, and I will have her YouTube channel linked in the description box below. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project, and it started on January 1st and goes until the end of the year, and it has monthly updates. It's all about the 90s, and yeah, we're working on 8 to 10 prompts and products at a time. And yeah, let's get into today's update and see how I'm doing and if I have any rollouts. Alright, so I'm just going to go down the list of the prompts, not in any, just the order that they're listed on the prompt list. Yes, so the first one I'm working on is for Jurassic Park, and that is an oldest product, and I brought in my Pacifica blush in Wild Rose. My original goal was to hit pan, but that is a long way away, if you can see there. I don't know if that's a little bit of hard pan right there, or what. I did try seeing if I could remove this from the package, and so I did gouge it a little bit right there, but just a little pinprick, so no big deal. But it does have a dip in it. Let me see if we can, I don't know how the best way to show it, but there is a dip in it. I have used it 8 times over the last month, bringing it to a total of 45 uses in this project. So I did last month amend, or the month before, amend my goal to 50 uses. So we're going to give this one more month, and then after the one more month, we'll roll it out, because yeah, it's a pretty tightly packed blush, and yeah, if I keep it in here to hit pan, it might be in here forever. So I've given up on trying to hit pan, but 5 more uses, or as many times as I use it in the next month, at least 5, and yeah, that is how we're doing on that. Is for the prompt Friends, and that is something that you took a break from and then got back into, and I brought in my Soapbox Tea Tree Conditioner. I have it here, and I brought it into the project. We were up here, and now we're down there. So there's only a little bit left, but you don't need a lot to at a time. So I'm gonna keep this in. I could roll it out. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it in for one more month. It should be gone by the next update, but yeah, there's just a little bit left down there, and working on that. I had taken a break from it because I was working on some other conditioners that I had in travel sizes, and yeah, I'm getting back to this one, and then as soon as this one's done, I have a new one lined up. If you haven't seen my 50 Shades of Green, then go check that out. That is a conditioner that is green. I mean, this one's green too, it's tea tree, so. Alright, next up, is for the prompt Buffy the Vampire Slayer. A mythological themed creature was the prompt, and I stretched it a little bit and went with a mythological person. That could be a creature too. I went with Aphrodite, and I chose a shade from my Galaxy sheet, and it is this shade right here. Aphrodite. My goal is to use it 20 times. I used it once this month, bringing a total usage to 2. So yeah, I might start bringing my usage for eyeshadows down. I was doing everything 20 uses, and now I'm like, maybe 10. But I just haven't been focusing on this. I've been doing I did a lot of purples, and doing a lot of blue. So hopefully I will pick up my usage on this. It is a beautiful red shade. I will give you a swatch of that. I got so used to doing it with that hand now, I just automatically dip. And it's a beautiful red shade. There you go. It has a nice metallic sheen. Looks a little orange on the viewfinder, but it is more a pinky purple of a red, more of a burgundy. But that is a really pretty color, and I hope to use that more in the future. And then next up is my, for the product Bop It, or prompt Bop It, and a product with package that pumps, twists, or pulls. And for that I brought in my Bliss Makeup Melt. This is a makeup melt, a makeup remover in a gel form. And I did not write down my goal. I don't think I'm gonna use it to completion. Did I mark that wrong? It might be a little bit below the mark I made, or it just moved because I tilted it. I think it's fine, but I brought it in, we were right there and at the red mark, and now we're down to the black mark. I have used it 8 times over the last month since rolling it into this project. I did start using a different makeup remover just to see what it was like, and I finished a micellar water, so that's why this didn't get as much use. I didn't write down what my goal was, so I will either have to go back to watch the video, or you guys, if you remember, you can let me know. But I think I'm just going to put it in for 20 uses, because if I put it in to finish it, that seems like a lot. But we'll see. 20 uses or finish, whichever comes first, I guess. Alright, and then another product that I brought in to finish that I'm going to roll out because I'm still going to use it, but I'm tired of tracking it. And it is for the prompt Tamagotchi. This was one of the first products I brought in, a product that is not long lasting. I brought in this Spa Scriptions Repairing Overnight Lip Mask with Collagen. Like I said, I brought it in to finish it, but you only need a teeny tiny bit every time you use it, and I use it twice a day. I marked it mostly per day, and I have over 100 uses. And we brought it into the project. It was right here, and we are now down here. So we've used almost half of it, but still there's a whole lot left to go. And the rate this is going, it's going to be in here the whole year, and I really want to move on and do other prompts. So I am changing this to a 100 use goal, and I've met my 100 uses. And I probably, like I said, used it more than that, because generally I mark a use per day and not per use, and I use it twice a day. So it's really more like 200 uses. Yeah, I'm just tired of tracking my usage on this. So this prompt is rolling out, and we're going to bring something else in, because I'm tired of keeping track of it. It's over 100 uses. I will empty it eventually. Alright, enough about that. Next up is for Pokemon, a favorite Pokemon, and I brought in a shade from my favorite Pokemon is Dratini, and I brought in a shade from my Trendy in Tokyo, and I brought in the shade Ginza. Strategically, and that is it there. I brought it in for 20 uses, and I don't think you can see. Maybe right there you can see there's a little bit of a dip forming. I have used it 15 times in this project. The last month I've used it only twice. I do have it on today, but it kind of got covered up in a bunch of other stuff. So I really do enjoy it. This shade, it is a beautiful bright light blue, and I'm really glad to be getting use out of it. But yeah, 5 more uses to go, and that should roll out. I plan on doing a lot more green and blue looks over the next month, so hopefully I will be able to use this the 5 times and be able to roll it out next month. Alright, and the next product is for JNCO Genko Jeans, a product with bulky packaging. That is my Medusa's Makeup Baked Eyeshadow in Woke. I have it in for a 20 use goal. I have used it 10 times in this project, and over the last month I have used it 0 times, so I'm not showing it to you because there's no change. I did not use it at all. It kind of fell by the wayside and kind of forgot about it. Been focused on a lot of other things, so you know, it happens. Alright, the next up is for Little Black Dress. That is a product with a black product or product with black packaging. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. I forgot to swatch Ginza for you. We'll do that. There we go. That is Ginza. Alright, now back to Little Black Dress, a black product or product with black packaging. I brought in my KVD Locket setting powder. This is deluxe sample size. My goal was to empty it, and I did. It is all gone. I took the sifter out because it was too hard to get the product in the end. Yeah, and it's all gone. I am so happy this is done. I enjoyed it. Would I purchase again? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. If it came my way, I wouldn't, you know, say no. But yes, that is done. So that prompt is rolling out. Yay. So that's 2 prompts rolling out this month. And then the last prompt is for Lisa Frank, a colorful product. And for that prompt, I brought in, again, my Trendy in Tokyo, and I randomly selected the shade Imperial Palace, which is this green right here. I'm also wearing it in my look somewhere as a base, but it got covered up with some other things. And I used it twice in the last month, bringing me to a total of 3 uses out of 20. So that is staying in the project. So the 2 rollouts we're having, the Sprascriptions Lip Repair and the KVD, so that means I need to roll in 2 products. So 1 moment and I will do that. Alright, I have my Pretty Random app on my phone pulled up. I have the numbers 1 through 40 because there are 40 prompts, and we're going to go ahead and randomize a number. The first one is 35, and that is Little Black Dress. I'm not going to do the same one again. Number 12 is The Lion King, a black-owned brand. Okay. 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 I think I have 1 thing for that. And then the last one, number 8, is Thelma and Louise, a duo product. Okay. Give me 1 moment to pull those. I think I know exactly what I'm going to get for both of them. So give me 1 moment to pull those and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back again because I thought I hit record previously when I came back with my products and I didn't. So first off, I forgot to show you a swatch of Imperial Palace. So it is this one right here. It is a nice tealy green. And now, back to what you were waiting for. The 2 products I brought in. Okay, first up, for Thelma and Louise, a duo product. I brought in this Espionage Cosmetics Build Your Own Palette Duo. And I have these 2 right here. I have Dungeon Crawl and Go Alone. And there are swatches of those there. The dark one is Dungeon Crawl. It's sort of a red-based multi-chrome, duochrome with sort of a green-blue shift. And then the other one is a yellow-green shift. I am bringing those in to use each one 5 times. So that's those guys again. And then the next one for a black-owned brand, The Lion King. I only have 1 thing, and that's Juvia's Place. And this is the Rebel Grays. It is just a gray-toned palette. It has 1 satin, 2 metallics, and a matte, and they are swatched here. So we have the satin, the 2 metallics, and the matte, and those are those there. Yeah, I did all this previously, and then you can see kind of the duochrome shift on those other shades. And so for the grays, I'm bringing in each shade to use 2 times. And yeah, that's it for this update. Whew! It took a little bit of time and a little bit of trial and error. But anyway, thank you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed my content and want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to, be notified every time I upload a video, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. And until then, take care. Bye.